Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the electric facial cleaning brush by Jstbest for deep clean. A gentle facial brush, electric, and it's waterproof body facial cleaning brush exfoliation set with 4 brush heads. And this for electricity or power it will use 4 times AA batteries, which are not included. A small brush for face cleaning, a sponge to top the piece, the makeup remover, a pumic stone settings for removing the calluses, and a large brush for cleaning the body in the shower. The electric cleaning brush for noticeably soft and radiant skin. Smooth facial cleaning brush for up to 6 times through cleaning effect as a hand wash. According to the IPX7 standard waterproof unit, it's ideal for people who are seeking the brush would like to use under the shower. We show home for this facial and body cleaning kit of the highest quality level. Unique gentle brush head with a shape that fits the contours of the face. So what we can do with that, we can remove dirt and makeup, even in the T-zone and on the chin. That means more can be removed. And it's cool because the color is white with pink. The Jstbest skin device comes with a nice device, of course, and it comes with the possibility of cleaning your entire body, of course. The electric facial cleaning brush is a waterproof unit which is ideal for using at the bathroom. It includes 4 exchangeable attachments: a big brush, a small brush, a pumic, and a face sponge. The power supply is 4 times AA alkaline batteries. The unit size is 176.5 to 76 to 47 millimeters. The weight is only around 128 grams. The material is ABS and TPR. And 4 exchangeable attachments are the big brush, the face brush, the pumic, and the sponge. We put into the device the 4 AA alkaline batteries before using the unit, and we please make sure that our hands are dry when inserting the batteries, of course. For example, we can use the face brush. The face brush is made of very soft bristles, especially designed for tender face skin. For exfoliation, to achieve the best result, we should first clean our face. We apply the brush with our favorite cleaner, and we gently move the brush across our face while making circulation movement. So maybe we touch the brush on our face flatly. Then with a big brush. The big brush is supposed to be applied on the hands and body. We apply the soap or cleaner to our hands or the body, then gently move the brush on your skin surface in circles. And there is more, a little sponge. After deeply exfoliation and cleaning, the dip sponge with this favorite nutrition, gently we move the sponge across our face while making the circulation movement. The face sponge gently massage our skin to activate the skin activity to make the skin elastic and greatly helps the nutrition absorption of our beauty creams used to prevent and erase the fine lines and black spots. And we have a pumic. Please immerse our foot in warm water for a while. Then we dry our foot. We apply the pumic on foot and move in circles. During the rotation, the pumic efficiently removes the hard cells at elbow or under the foot, while brush spin them away. We do not use it on broken skin or areas of the skin with rash, severe acne, or other skin ailments. We rinse all exchangeable attachments with tap water. The maximum water temperature is about 50 degrees Celsius or 122 degrees Fahrenheit. That's how we can clean it. We use a damp cloth to wipe and clean the residues remaining on the unit body. We let the air dry all the parts. We store the unit and the parts back to the storage box for the next activity. We make sure to take out the batteries if the device is not used for a long time. We clean the unit and all plastic parts after use. We do not use an alcohol, an acetone, a petrol, abrasive cleaning agents, etc. to clean the plastic parts. We replace the brush every 2 or 3 months. I think it's you can use them for a long time. I think you can replace them if they are damaged. So you can use it for 1 year or 2 years as you like. So this is my opinion. But you can choose. This is the Jstbest electric facial cleaning brush set. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.